How's it going, everyone? It's me, Matt Gad, here with your anatomy video about the brain tissue, and let's get started. So the brain, what are its functions? It is going to regulate and control the body functions. It is made up of axons, glial cells, and nerve cell bodies, three main parts. And over here you have the white matter, and over here we have the gray matter. As you can see, the color chains, and all these different parts are all the reasons that we are alive and conscious today. And the brain receives information through our five senses: sight, smell, touch, taste, and hearing. Often they use many of these at once. It assembles the messages in a way that has meaning for us so we can understand it. And it stores information in our memory. The brain controls our thoughts, memory, speech, movement of the arms and legs, and it also controls the functions of many organs within our body like the heart or stomach and other things like that. The brain is also in charge of processing sensory information, regulating blood pressure and breathing, and it also has a big part in releasing hormones like testosterone and estrogen. And finally, the brain is actually the command center for the human nervous system. It receives signals from the body, the sensory organs, and outputs the information to the muscles so it can aid in movement. All right, everyone, so that has been the slide about the brain. So, signing off here. Go Rocks. Thank you, Dr. Blixley. Back to you, Wyatt Arranger.